This book, The Reindeer of Chinese Gardens, came out this year, and part of it is the story of the Sámi who came through Port Townsend in 1898 on their way to Alaska. They came all the way from Alta to the East Coast and then across the United States by train to Seattle, and then they stayed in Port Townsend for a while before going to Alaska. And it's the story of one woman in particular, Elin Persdotter, and one of the things we're going to do today is to go out into Port Townsend, and I can show a few places that are connected with the Sámi here. And in one part of the novel, one of the reindeer has been left behind. It belongs to Elin, and it's called Leksu. It's a white reindeer, and she is still milking it, and she doesn't want it to go up to Alaska. So it's out there that they bring the reindeer to be grazing so that she can get some grass as well as the lichen that they have brought. So it's described as sort of an interesting little parade every time they take the reindeer from the house where they're staying over to Chinese Gardens, because Elin is wearing gakti, and
oh, she did wear gakti even though maybe she didn't have anything else.
She didn't have anything else.
Yeah.
They probably only had one dress, one pair of clothes when they came.
Yeah, exactly.
They couldn't bring too much.